Good morning, kids. So today we will make a handmade aeroplane like this. So let's get started. So let's start. So firstly we need a rectangular paper of any color which you want. Like this. And we need one other color paper and cut it in rectangular shape. Now we need two other color strips and white paper, marker, pencil and glue, some sketch pens, scissors. So let's start. First we take green paper and put glue on it. Put glue on its one side like this. Now fold it in round shape just like a pipe. And paste this corner with this corner like this. We get a round shaped pipe like this. Now take another color rectangular sheet and cut its edges in this shape. Shape them in a round way like this. It will become our plane's wings. And make a tail like this. Now spread the glue and stick them. It's done. It's an aeroplane's tail. Now we draw its eyes. Now make it with the help of a marker like this. Now cut them. So here we have a ruler and make two lines in their wings with the help of any sketch pen which you have. I have pink and sky blue, so I draw like this. Now we draw one lines in its tails. From both sides. Now paste its eyes like this. Now paste its wings. Now paste its tail like this. Now make its nose and mouth with the help of a marker like this. So it's ready. So make this beautiful aeroplane. I hope you enjoying making an aeroplane. It look like this. So take care. Bye bye.